Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start with the name of Allah, who is the most gracious and most merciful. My name is Zishan Ali, roll number 2K18, LCS 45. Today my topic is distributive databases. Concepts: distributed database, a logical interrelated collection of a shared data and a description of a data physically distributed over a computer network. Distributed DBMS, software system that permits the management of the disturbed database and makes the distribution transparent to users. Collection of logically related shared data. Data is split into fragments. Fragments may be replicated. Fragments replicas allocated to sites. Sites linked by a communications network. Data at each site is under control of a DBMS. DBMS handle local applications autonomously. Each DBMS participates in at least one global application. A single application should be able to operate transparently on data that is spread across a variety of different DBMS running on a variety of different machines supported by a variety of different operating systems connected together variety of different communication networks. Distribution can be geographical or local. A distributive database consists of a collection of sites connected together via some kind of communications network, in which each site is a database system site in its own right. The sites agree to work together so that a user at any site can access data anywhere in the network exactly as if the data were all stored at the user's own site. It is a logical union of real databases. It can be seen as a kind of partnership among the individual local DBMS. Difference with remote access are distributed processing systems. Temporary assumption, strict homogeneity, organizational structure, shareability and local autonomy, improved availability, improved reliability, improved performance, economics, modular growth, complexity, cost, security, integrity, control more difficult, lack of standards, lack of experience, database design more complex. Homogeneous DDBMS, heterogeneous DDBMS. All sites use same DBMS product, much easier to design and manage. Approach provides incremental growth and allows increased performance. Sites may run different DBMS products with possibly different underlying data models. Occurs when sites have implemented their own databases and integration is considered later. Translations required to allow for the different hardwares, different DBMS products, different hardware and different DBMS products. Typical solution is to use gateways. DDBMS in which each site maintains complete autonomy. DBMS that resides transparently on top of existing database and file systems and presents in a single database to its users. Allows users to access shared data without requiring physical database integration. Non-federated MDB and MDBS, no local users, and federated MDBS, FMDBS. Thank you so much.